Hello, this is your Airbnb specialist, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Airbnb contact number when you need to speak to someone. Please note, you cannot do this from a mobile device or a mobile app. You need to have access to a computer, and once you are on your computer, click on your browser address bar and type airbnb.com/help. That will take you to the Airbnb help center, and usually there they display different set of articles for you to read and resolve your problems. You can click on any of those articles. That will lead you to the details page of that article, and if you don't need to read the article, just scroll to the bottom of this page. At the bottom on the right corner you will see Contact Us. Click on Contact Us button. And then it gives you two options, whether you can choose a reservation if you're having a problem with the reservation, or you can say, I don't need help with the reservation. Let's choose this option. And then it gives you 6 options to choose from. You can choose whatever is relevant to you. Let's choose payments, refunds, and more. And on the next page, it says what kind of payment problem you're having. You do not really need to choose any of those. Just click on it is something else, because if you choose the other options, it will send you to, again, a repository of articles for you to read and solve your problem. Just use it's something else. It will give you 2 options to choose from, chat or call us. For the purpose of this video, we're going to click on call us. And there you go, it will display the local phone number I can call in my country and speak to Airbnb. The same method will work for you as well. Doesn't matter which country you are in. Try this. I hope you enjoyed this videos. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. That will also encourage me to make more such videos. Until next time, bye-bye.